All right, let's do K. All right, for K, because both sides have one log, and that's the goal. You always want to have one log on each side. You see these other ones?
Yeah.
That one needs to be condensed. This needs to be condensed. This needs to be condensed. This needs to be condensed. You got to have one log on every side, on both sides. This one, I don't have to do any condensing. Now, there's two ways to go about solving this. The first way I'm going to do is the easiest way. And that would be simply this. Raise both sides to the power of 3, or to the base of 3. So now this is an exponent, and this is the base. Same with the other side. You know what happens after that?
Oh, yeah. Cancel out.
That's it. Move the x's to one side. Move the constants to the other side. You get x equals 2. Now, the tricky part with solving these is you always have to check to make sure it works inside the log. You got to make sure you don't get a negative when you plug the 2 into this. When I plug 2 into this, do I get a negative?
No.
What about this one?
No.
All right, so it works.